Nokia 6500 Classic. Assembly hints. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2, also refer to the General Mechanical Guideline video, for additional hints about the tools and component handling. Fit the antenna grounding to the C cover. Take special care to the microphone flex when replacing the UI flex. Place the IHF speaker with the new IHF speaker adhesive into the C cover. Pay attention to the correct position of the spring contacts. Fit a new flashboard assembly. Fit the antenna assembly onto the C cover. Remove the protection film from the UI flex. Pass the coax cable as shown. Ensure that the cable is not damaged. Fit the coax clamp. Place the light swap PWB into the C cover. Check the correct position of the PWB before going on. Carefully close the UI flex connector and the coax connector. Fit the vibra with the new vibra adhesive into its place. Pay attention to the correct position. Fit the BT antenna. Gently close the AV flex connector. Fit the USB brace into the C cover at the shown side first. And then carefully push it into its position. Connect the LCD module to the PWB. Place the LCD module onto the UI flex. Align the display back plate with the C cover. Insert the screws and tighten them to the torque of 10 Newton-centimeters in the order shown. Do not bend the grounding hook of the display back plate. Check also the other side. Align the display frame assembly with the C cover and push into place to secure it. Close the clip on top of the unit. Place the two light leakage foils onto the IE flex as shown. Align the A cover with the C cover. Do not slide the parts together yet. Ensure that the tongue of the A cover is positioned exactly in the rail of the C cover. Check it also on the other side. Fit the K-mate. And carefully slide the A cover into its position. Always use a new top cover assembly. Pay attention to the correct position of the top cover. Close the other side. Fit a new camera window, paying attention to its correct position. Close the B cover. Check that no gaps remain.